ninħarsu lejn pereżempju ċertu affarijiet li jistgħu jgħinu fil-performance nistgħu. Pereżempju, the general recommendation again hija li jekk intu ħadkun qed tagħmel high endurance jew high intensity work, 60 grams of carbohydrates before you train within the hour within which you train. Is there a specific type of food you should be eating? There isn't a specific type of food you should be eating. It's a general recommendation for the type of nutrients you should be taking. Li nafu wkoll li women tend to need that more than men. Ġifieri women tend to need to feed. It is more detrimental to a female to train fasted than it is to a male. Okay? Ħabba l-fiżjoloġija tagħhom u li wara li jitrenjaw, women tend to have a shorter time within which to refuel and re-ingest protein and carbohydrate than men do. Ġifieri din hija xi ħaġa li it is somewhat documented u ġifieri mhux somewhat actually pretty documented u naraw li l-irġiel dik it-time window li konna nitkellmu fuqha isa m'għadniex nitkellmu fuqha daqshekk li saret issa 3-4 hours, mentri f'nisa that 30 to 45 minute window seems to be very, very, very still very key.
Ġifieri li tikolla eżatt wara l-ġim.
Fl-irġiel mhijiex daqshekk importanti għax dak il-window jestendi iktar milli konna naħsbu li jestendi qabel, imma fin-nisa nafu li it is required more. Researcher jisimha Dr. Stacy Sims li li għamlet ħafna riċerka fuq din l-area, mhux fuq din l-area biss, għamlet riċerka wkoll fuq return to play wara injury, how it pertains, how it's different between men and women, u dal-affarijiet. Imma Dr. Stacy Sims, she has quite a good background in this area.
Speċikament għan-nisa.
Eżatt, ġifri, palissa naħseb għaw moviment illi jisna għedin nibbuttaw li we treat men and women in a different way. Mux exercise type biss, jew mux exercise type per se, pero the way we approach it, the way we approach exercise.
And this is based on?
Based on their hormonal levels, their cycle u their physiology per se, fejn huma għandhom it-tendenza jkunu ikollhom iktar ammont ta' type 1 fiber li they tend to be better at long oxidative work. Fil-fatt, kif konna nitkellmu aħħar darba, f'ultra endurance, f'affarijiet kif qed jagħmel Fabio Spiteri, fuq affarijiet kif qed jagħmel Neil u dal-affarijiet, women tend to do very, very well. Where we see certain women outperform men. Outperform women.
So if you take
outright outperform.
Sorry.
Outright outperform.
If you take the elite males, male group and the elite female group, they outperform men.
So there are certain durations where women tend to outperform men.
Which durations?
Offhand, I can't recall them. They are in the very, very, very long distance work. Ġifieri nkun qed tkellmu 100-160k runs, that tip ta' crazy distances. Ma ngħidux crazy ħalli ma noffendu l-ħadd. Imma on the verge of being.
It does take a certain level of Adrian, I think.
Yeah.
To decide that's what you want to embark on in life. 160 km run kemm iddum għaddejja? Generalment.
Very, very long. Very, very long.
Skont il-BBC, in ultrarunning competitions, the longer the distance, the smaller the gap between the times of men and women. In 2020 analysis of ultrarunning results showed that beyond 195 miles, no joke, 114 kilometers, Malta fiha xi 27 kilometers minn allora, women were 0.6% faster. Overall, there is mixed evidence about how women's tolerance of pain differs from men's.
Pain, that's only taking into consideration that single factor, the pain.
So what other factors?
Their muscle physiology, and
Their
massive
muscle physiology, għax għandhom iktar minn dan il-type 1
fibers
fiber.
and their metabolic physiology li huma aktar kapaċi jużaw oxidative ġifri jidħlu fl-aerobic system iktar milli jidħlu l-irġiel. L-irġiel jibbażaw their energy system iktar fuq it-sokkor in-nisa iktar.
Mela, tlaqna?